hanging above my head. In this video, I will attempt to spend 100 euros on food in Rome. Is Rome an expensive city? Well, yes it is. Is food in Rome expensive? Let's find out. I'm at the Mercato Centrale near the Rome Termini train station, and this is amazing looking food court full of colors and smells. You wouldn't expect this kind of place, but let's go and check it out.
This variety of food is something you wouldn't expect near a train station. Plenty of desserts, Roman, Sicilian, Neapolitan. But there's also Roman pizza by Slice, a local staple, and also more desserts. Not only that, there's sushi, poke, different types of salads, but also many Roman fried foods, such as these potato patties or handmade chips. Just behind the corner there's a bar offering wide variety of drinks. Across the bar there's a pasta place cooking some fresh pasta on the spot. Beside pasta there's meat ready to be grilled, and also there's some meat already stewed. There is also American-style smash burger cooked on the griddle for its hungry customers, topped with yellow cheese and finished off with a bun. Of course, Italian food court would be basically empty without some more pizza. Some beautiful looking Neapolitan pizzas, bubbly and smelling really nice, attracting many customers, and when it gets busy they're baked not in one but in two wood-fired ovens. There are also some Argentinian empanadas. My first choice was of course Neapolitan pizza, one of the freshest, best looking and best smelling choices in this food court. My pizza margherita is here and my first 10 euros are spent in Rome. Very nice and puffy crust on this pizza, more soft than crunchy, but look just how thin this pizza dough is. This is why they had to use the scissors to cut this pizza. Very thin, very soft dough.
Let's go with the first bite.
Properly baked on the bottom, very thin pastry, tomato sauce, a little bit acidic, a little bit sweet, how it should be, nice mozzarella cheese, fluffy crust on the pizza. This is a very decent pizza margherita.
I mean, for getting some great food in Centro Mercato near the train station, this was, I think, right choice. Cheers.
A free sample to try at the meat stand.
Let's go. Not bad. A bit salty, but still nice taste.
I couldn't leave this place without getting something sweet for takeaway.
Our challenge continues here at Trattoria La Vecchia Roma, so let's go.
A family-owned trattoria in Monti neighborhood where football club Roma, Francesco Totti and some Italian film legends are highly revered. A friend is joining me on this lunch and we decided to go for a pasta. The first dish is here and it's ravioli, ricotta and spinach.
Our first dish is here and it's ravioli al pomodoro. I'm a huge fan of ravioli, so let's dig in. Actually quite decent ravioli. Not the best that I've eaten, to be honest, but the sauce is nice. It's a bit sweet, the taste of spinach and cheese inside is good as well. Not the type melting in your mouth, but still good and decent ravioli. Cheers.
Our pasta is here and my friend ordered the classic spaghetti all'amatriciana and I ordered penne all'arrabbiata, the spicy and tasty pasta.
So my pasta all'arrabbiata is here, and I wanted something spicy. Nice and simple. Cooked al dente. Not really spicy, to be honest. Maybe I will feel the spiciness as I continue eating.
After a couple more bites,
It is properly spicy. There are bits of garlic as well. Al dente, nice penne, nice sauce. I'm really enjoying this penne all'arrabbiata. Cheers. We just finished our lunch and it was quite good. Another good restaurant in the central city of Rome, in the Monti neighborhood, and it set us down 37 euros. So we are minus 37. This was with the help of my friend, but I have some more road to cover. So see you at the next place.
next stop Gelato Artigianale at one of the best rated ice cream shops in Rome.
Creamy, tasty, proper Roman gelato. Cheers. Behind me is Pizzeria Cinquantacalo. This is a famous pizzeria from Naples, but they opened their restaurant here in Rome as well. And this is where we continue our challenge. So let's go.
Pizzas are made and baked really fast in this place. Waiters are checking the base of each pizza before sending them out, which tells us about high standards of this pizzeria. Another interesting thing is that they are using traditional wooden pizza peels to put the pizza inside the oven. Pizza pomodorini e mozzarella is here.
Well, this was quick. My pizza is here and it looks absolutely gorgeous, smells even better.
It looks incredible with all these ripe and juicy tomatoes contrasting mozzarella and drizzled with some olive oil on top. Very nice coloring and perfectly baked at the bottom. Almost paper thin dough, and the crust is soft and very bubbly.
Perfectly baked and so thin that you just have to fold it. There is no other way of eating it. But here comes the first bite. The dough is absolutely perfect. This is maybe the best Neapolitan pizza that I've eaten. It's not chewy at all. The cheese is more chewy than the dough.
You're noticing all these ingredients, but not the dough. Dough practically blends and just melts in your mouth.
Once again, an amazing pizza experience, and I was here just in time because it's getting full and people are starting to queue up outside. Minus 16, we're almost there, but let's continue.
Let's first visit the hardcore tourist area in between Pantheon and the Trevi Fountain and check what kind of food places are there. You will notice how much easier it is to stick this ice cream onto the cone comparing to that proper artisanal ice cream I had previously. And now the kings of Wall Fountain, Venchi Gelato, but their ice cream looks noticeably better. And of course, All'Antico Vinaio is always way too busy, long queues are expected. But I have some other place in mind. A quick stop to check this place first. Plenty of prosciutto as expected, but what shocked me is the amount of guanciale bacon hanging from the ceiling.
All this guanciale and prosciutto literally hanging above my head. I'm in front of La Salumeria and this is the next stop, and here I'm gonna spend some more money and try some proper panini, I hope. So let's go.
La Salumeria offering many meats from around Italy as well as pata negra from Spain. Freshly made sandwiches using all these tasty ingredients. There's no table service here, you pay, but then you have to get your glass and your drink from the fridge by yourself.
So my sandwich is ready, this was quite quick.
Stracciatella sandwich with stracciatella spread on the bottom, radish spread on top. In the middle is this tasty looking prosciutto crudo with some pumpkin seeds, and all this in a homemade bread bun.
I got my favorite beer as well, Birra Messina, so cheers. The bread is nice and fresh, but most of the taste that I can feel is saltiness from the prosciutto crudo, and I think that even spread is a bit salty as well. The bread ratio is a bit too big. Definitely it lacks some more ingredients inside. But anyway, quite fresh, both bread and the ingredients, and overall tasty. And this puts us with minus 10.50 euros, and we have a little bit more room to go as well. So see you at the next place.
For the final countdown, I went to the Trastevere neighborhood.
Not unique experience to Rome, queuing up in front of the restaurant, but it's something that you have to do sometimes. Okay. My drink is here, and I still can't believe how a bit crazy, loud and alive this place is.
Newsflash, my carbonara is here and it's pretty as a picture and it smells really amazing. Look at all that steam coming out once I start shuffling the pasta. But let's take it for a spin. First thing first, guanciale bacon is so tasty, nicely caramelized and crunchy on the outside. The egg sauce is just perfect, no extra sauce in the plate, it was completely absorbed by the pasta. Pepper gives this very nice spiciness to the pasta, and pecorino cheese is the final touch.
Pasta perfection on a fork. Our food challenge is over. I managed to get just across 100 euros at this last place, and the exact number is here on the screen. Anyway, I was really pleasantly surprised by pasta at Mimi e Cocco. This was a true and proper Roman carbonara. Everything was perfect, from the sauce to guanciale to that pecorino on top. I really enjoyed it, and this was a great ending of this food adventure. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. All the best.